Porter, Porter. This was his real name. Sometimes it's also pronounced as SI. ठीक है, कहीं कहीं अगर SI लिखा रहे तो it is okay. That is according to the pronunciation, the spelling changes in different regions. So this is, you can see, a romantic tale that we are going to study with the twist of irony. ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो आपका expression हो रहा है story का, that is your irony. What do you mean by irony? Irony मतलब something, the outcome is not what you expected. Okay. Is not. Please don't listen. It's not as you expected. Or totally opposite. Okay. It can also be defined as coincidence through a humor. Coincidence through a humor. That means what? यहाँ पर एक ऐसा coincidence हुआ है जिसमें बहुत लोगों को हंसी भी आएगी. But being in that situation, if you look, it is very ironic. That means you didn't expect this situation, this outcome, but उस तरह हो गया. ठीक है. Now let's take a look in the story. Story का PDF मैंने भेज दिया है. Let me see if I... ओके. तो जिन लोगों के पास PDF है वो ओपन कर सकते हैं और यू कैन ज्वाइन द क्लास. आई विल शेयर इट. PDF क्या कर सकते हैं? मेरे पास है. Some student is not available. Yes, are you able to see the screen? Online students, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. See, the story starts. यहाँ पर जो हमने read किया था. If you want, we can start again. But the thing is, we will held back in the syllabus. So I'm just explaining it till the time we have already read. ठीक है? तो हमने कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? हमने ये पूरा पेज कंप्लीट हो गया था. So according to this page, यहाँ पर डिस्क्रिप्शन किया गया है. बच्चे स्टार्टिंग से ही करेंगे. ठीक है? फर्स्ट पेज में this is a scenario where the main protagonist, what do you mean by protagonist? Protagonist का क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by protagonist? Protagonist का क्या मतलब होता है? Protagonist का मतलब होता है the main character around which the story revolves. ठीक है? So
the main character होता है प्ले का.
Yes, it can be multiple, it can be only one. ठीक है? It depends how many main characters do you have. If you have a couple, obviously you will have two protagonists. If you have a couple and someone who is against them, then they are also the protagonist. ठीक है? The main character around which the story revolves. So protagonist यहाँ पर है Della and उसका husband. ठीक है? तो Della का यहाँ पर scene बताया गया है in the first, second and third paragraph. First paragraph, it is shown that she is very disappointed because she found all her saving from the month only $1.85. उसने पूरे एक महीने तक अपनी सेविंग्स में सिर्फ $1.85 ही बचा पाए. And why she is disappointed? Why is she disappointed? Yes, अगले दिन क्रिसमस था एंड शी वांटेड टू गिव समथिंग टू हर हस्बैंड, राइट। और उसके लिए उसे अच्छी खासे सेविंग्स चाहिए थी बिकॉज शी वांटेड टू गिव समथिंग वेरी स्पेशल दैट इज वर्दी टू बी इन पोजेशन ऑफ हर हस्बैंड। दैट मीन्स उसके लायक कुछ ऐसा रहे जिसको वो अपने हस्बैंड को देकर प्राउड हो सके। ओके, सो इन दैट व्हेन शी इज डिसअपॉइंटेड इन दैट शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग। ठीक है, ये आपका फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का डिस्क्रिप्शन है। देन सेकंड एंड थर्ड पैराग्राफ डिस्क्राइब द एरिया वेयर शी लिव्स, the flat, you can say the flat or the room that she is acquiring। ठीक है, वहां पर fully furnished लिखा गया है। $8 per week her rent is। ठीक है, her and her husband pays $8 per week for the rent of a furnished home। ठीक है, जहां पर बताने के लिए कुछ नहीं है। This has been mentioned here and this line is important. Why? Because a question might be asked that what is described in the surrounding house। ठीक है, उनके हाउस में स्टार्टिंग में क्या डिस्क्राइब किया गया था। So it is only described that their home is fully furnished and furnished could mean like bed, table, dining table, dressing table and these things। ठीक है, also it can mean the meanest of provisions, like इसका ये भी मतलब हो सकता है कि they might not have table for dining, they only have one dressing table, something minimum that they can uphold in their house। Okay, so and their rent for the household is $8 per week। This is your question। यहाँ पर mention किया गया है, the last line of the second paragraph is there is little more to say about it। it यहाँ पर क्या है? There is little more to say about it। it क्या है यहाँ पर? वो चीज क्या है बच्चे? That is what I'm asking you। किसके लिए? No। Read the paragraph। While the lady of the home is slowly growing quieter, we can look at the home। No, we look at the home। Furnished rooms at the cost of $8 a week. There is little more to say about it। It is what? Room। The room in which she lives। Okay. In the hall below was a letter box too small to hold a letter। Letter boxes was a tradition that was used by prior people। ठीक है, उनका जो भी household होता था, यहाँ पर उतना नहीं है because a lot of people are not building it, but in foreign countries it is illegal to not put a letter box in your house। ठीक है, तो वहाँ पर मोस्टली हाउसेस में लेटर बॉक्सेस होते थे शुरू से ही और अभी भी होते हैं। तो उनका जो लेटर बॉक्स था, इसका डेला का जो लेटर बॉक्स था, दैट वाज वेरी स्मॉल। ठीक है, ओनली टू अपहोल्ड अ स्मॉल लेटर, जहाँ पर लेटर रखने की भी जगह ठीक से नहीं थी। There was an electric bell, but it could not make the sound. That means it was not working. Also, there was a name beside the door, Mr. James Dillingham Youngs। This was the name। किसका नाम है यहाँ पे? Yes, डेला के husband। Okay, next is, यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Any doubt regarding this? Okay. Try to make notes if you are not able to understand or if you think you are going to forget any details that I'm mentioning। Next thing is, यहाँ पे बताया गया है due to some problems in the economy। What problems? पहले जेम्स को $30 per week मिलता था। Now he is only paid $20 per week। That means उसका जो सैलरी था वो डिक्रीज हो गया। Exactly, डिक्रीज हो गया। So in that sense, it is like उसमें जो savings है, that is impossible for her to save after all the expenses of her household। That is the problem why she is not getting enough money for her husband's gift। Okay, next is यहाँ पर बताया गया है कि जितना पेमेंट डिक्रीज होने की वजह से the name Mr. James Dillingham Young जो नाम है वो बहुत ही unimportant लग रहा है। That means according to the name, his position is not as such important, or he's not upholding that status that the name is giving him. Okay, because of मतलब ये चीज होती है कि नाम से कभी कभी आप स्टेटस जोड़ते हैं, राइट? सो उस सिचुएशन में उसका जो नाम है, जो उसकी सैलरी डिक्रीज हुई है, वो नहीं, ये चीज मतलब उसको लग रहा है कि उसके नाम के अकॉर्डिंग उसका सैलरी उतना नहीं आ रहा है. सो द नेम शुड बी शॉर्टर एंड इट हैज बीन शॉर्टेंड. हाउ इट हैज बीन शॉर्टेंड? कब शॉर्ट हुआ था उसका नाम? It should perhaps have been Mr. James Day Young. यानी कि ये उसका wishful thinking है that it should be. The writer or the narrator is saying कि ये होना चाहिए था. But when Mr. James Dillingham Young entered the furnished home, his name became very short indeed. His name became very short indeed. इसका मतलब वो जैसे ही उस घर में एंटर किया था, जब उसने ये घर नया नया लिया था रेंट पर, उसका नेम ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट हो गया. हाउ? Mrs. James Dillingham Young put her arms warmly around him and called him Jim. That means Della has shortened her husband's name from James to Jim. That's what it is referred to her. You have already met her. She is Della. This is the connection that is shown. Della finished her crying and cleaned the marks of it from her face. She stood by the window and looked out with no interest. यहाँ पे she is crying. Okay, why she is crying? You know, if this question asks why Della was crying, you can answer this question. कर पाओगे answer? How many students are confident enough to answer? Yes, the rest of the students. Della was crying because she didn't have enough money for the gift. Her month-old saving is not enough for a special gift what she was planning or what she was thinking of getting her husband. Okay. Della finished. Yes, we were here. Tomorrow would be Christmas Day and she had only $1.87 with which to buy Jim a gift. She had put aside as much as she could for months. With this result, $20 a week is not much. Everything has cost more than she had expected. It always happened like this. Now this situation is, you can say, in a way describing how she has saved $1.87. ठीक है. ऊपर मैंने पहले बताया कि जब उनका सैलरी डिक्रीज हो गया जेम्स का, from $30 a week, his salary was decreased to $20 per week. So $20 per week, she is explaining that it is not much, right? After the expenses that she has to do for the household, that is not much to for the savings. ठीक है. और उसके लिए जो गिफ्ट वो देना चाहती है, यानी she is not exactly planning यही गिफ्ट उसको देना है, but she has been thinking something very you can say unique or something very important, that important and precious. So obviously it would be costly. तो अगर costly है तो इनका पैसा तो उसके पास नहीं होता. So she is depressed and she is explaining why she is depressed in this paragraph. Yes, still here we have read. Next paragraph कौन read करेगा?
Ashish. Ma'am, only $1.87.
Yes.
Only $1.87 to buy a gift for Jim. For Jim, she's had many happy thoughts, planning something nice. For this, something nearly good search, something almost got the honor of belonging to Jim. There was a looking glass between the windows of the room. Perhaps you have seen the kind of looking glass that is placed in it for nice rooms. It was very narrow. A person could see only a little of himself at a time. However, it He was very thin and moved very quickly. He might be able to get a good view of himself. Della, being quite thin, had mastered his art.
Okay. First thing, when you are reading, pause when there's a full stop. Okay. When there's a full stop, you have to pause. You have to think what the narrator is telling and try to stress those words where they are emotional. ठीक है? यहाँ पर जो पहला लाइन आपने रीड किया, only $1.87 to buy gift for her Jane. Her Jane जो है, that has to be stressed and paused after. Okay? क्यों यहाँ पर pause हो रहा है? Why there's a pause here? Sorry. Why there's a pause here? I just नहीं, I there's no one. नहीं आया बच्चे, आएगा तो I will send. क्या रोल है मेरा? क्या रोल है मेरा? मैसेज हमको कर रहा है. I have allowed it. Yes. So as I was saying, यहाँ पर $1.87. She is very like upset regarding this. ठीक है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा upset है क्योंकि उसे ऐसा गिफ्ट चाहिए जो उसके हस्बैंड के वर्थ हो. ठीक है, she has to the worth, the honor of belonging to him. This is what मतलब जो गिफ्ट है, that should be honored enough to belong to her husband. ठीक है, इसका मतलब आप समझ रहे हो. यहाँ पे प्योर इमोशंस बताए जा रहे हैं that for her, her husband is so much precious that the gift should be honored. कोई भी गिफ्ट जो वो ले रही है, वो गिफ्ट ऑनर होना चाहिए कि वो उसके हस्बैंड को बिलोंग करे. Okay, that non-living thing should be honored to belong to her husband. Understood? Next is the looking glass is described in the next paragraph. Okay. Why is it described here? What is the purpose of describing a looking glass? किसी भी कहानी में आप कभी भी रूम का एरिया का कुछ भी बताते हो, then there's a purpose for that. Okay. So here the purpose for describing the looking glass is to describe how thin Della is. ठीक है, Della का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो बताने के लिए, वो कितनी पतली है ये डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए उसने लुकिंग ग्लास का डिस्क्रिप्शन लिया. दैट इज वेरी थिन एंड वेरी स्मॉल. ठीक है, एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी थिन टू लुक केयरफुली. मतलब आपको पूरा देखने के लिए उसमें आपको एक तरफ मुड़ना होगा वेरी क्विकली, इवन इफ यू आर थिन ओनली, तभी ये पॉसिबल है कि आप पूरा देख पाएंगे. Okay, so this is described and she has mastered that art to look herself fully. She has mastered that art of twisting very quickly so that she can look herself full. ठीक है, वो पूरा अपने आप को देख पाए आईने में, इसलिए उसने मास्टर कर लिया इस आर्ट को कि वो पूरी तरह एकदम जल्दी जल्दी से घूम सके ताकि वो पूरा देख सके अपने को. ओके, नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. Which one? मेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा. रीड करो.
Suddenly, she turned from the window and stood before the ground. Her eyes were shining brightly, but her face had lost its color. Quickly, she pulled down her hair and let it fall to its complete length. The James Bingham Young were very proud of two things, which they owned. One thing was James' bold It had once belonged to his father, and long ago it had belonged to his father's father. The other thing was Dela's hair. If a queen had lived in the room near there, Dela would have washed and dried her hair where the queen could see it. Dela knew her hair was more beautiful than any queen, jewels and gifts.
Okay, that's enough. So here it is described that she is looking at the glass now and her eyes were shining brightly. Why is her eyes shining brightly? क्यों उसकी आंखें चमक रही हैं? No. She's had an idea for the gift. That's why her eyes were shining. Her face has lost its color. Why she has lost its color? Because there's something that she has to sacrifice for the sake of gift. कुछ उसे अपना sacrifice करना पड़ेगा, but she has a brilliant idea for her husband's gift. Understood? Quickly she pulled down her hair and left it fall to its complete length. The James Dillingham Youngs, यानी कि दोनों husband wife जो थे, उन दोनों की सिर्फ एक possession एक के पास थी, जिसके लिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा proud थे. First thing was James' watch that was passed down from 3 generations, as per we know. मोबाइल बंद कर दो बच्चे. His grandfather and his father and he himself is wearing the watch. So for 3 generations, that watch has been in his family, so it's a great possession for him. And for Della, her greatest possession was her hair. Okay. According to the narrator or according to Della, the hair that she has possessed, उसके पास जैसे बाल थे, any other of the women who has been seeing her would be jealous of that. And according to her comparison, यहाँ पर जो comparison किया गया है, any jewel from queen or gift from queen, मतलब जो अगर queen है इंग्लैंड की, वो उनकी जो भी jewels हैं, ठीक है, उनकी जो भी jewelries हैं, उनकी जो भी gems हैं, उनकी जो भी gifts हैं, उससे ज्यादा उसे लगता है कि उसके कीमती उसके बाल हैं. Understood? यहाँ तक कोई doubt? Okay. Moving on, next paragraph, let me explain it very quickly. If a king has lived in the same house with all his riches, James had looked at his watch every time they met. Jim knew that no king has anything so valuable. So according to this comparison, Jim का जो sentiment था for his watch, because it has been a generation value. Why is it so valuable? It is आप समझ सकते हैं कि पुराने जमाने में जो चीजें ज्यादा वैल्यू करती थी वो क्यों ज्यादा वैल्यू करती थी? नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ द वर्थ इन द मार्केट, बिकॉज ऑफ द इयर्स दैट इट हैज बीन इन द पोजीशन ऑफ द फैमिली. ठीक है, फैमिली से जो भी ट्रेडिशन या पोजेशंस पास ऑन किए जाते थे, दैट वर मोर वैल्यूएबल देन एनी अदर मटेरियल दैट इज न्यू फाउंड. अंडरस्टूड? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस थिंग, दैट इज व्हाई जेम्स वॉच इज वेरी वैल्यूएबल फॉर हिम. ओके. And Della's hair was very valuable because it was genetic. ठीक है, उसके जो बाल लंबे थे, it was genetic. That's what she is explaining कि उसके वो बाल जो हैं वो बहुत लंबे हैं, बहुत सुंदर हैं, and it is very precious or very worthy to be compared with the jewels of queen. And the watch of Jim, जो Jim की जो watch थी, that is very precious and very worthy to be compared to any king's possession. ठीक है, किसी भी किंग के पोजीशन से वो ज्यादा उसे कीमती है उसके लिए. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. मूविंग ऑन. सो नाउ Della's beautiful hair fell about her, shining like a falling stream of brown water. It reached below her knee. It almost made itself into a dress for her. And then she put it up on her head again nervously and quickly. Once she stopped for a moment and stood still while a tear or two ran down her face. Now यहाँ तक क्या चीज बताई जा रही है कि डेला का हेयर का डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया जा रहा है. What is it being compared with? किसका कंपैरिजन कैसे किया जा रहा है उसके बाल का? स्ट्रीम ऑफ वार्म वाटर, दैट मीन्स द वाटरफॉल जैसा होता है उस तरीके का, उससे ब्राउन कलर के उसके बाल हैं, तो उसके बालों को वाटरफॉल की तरह कंपेयर किया जा रहा है। दैट इज रीचिंग बिलो हर नीज, बिलो हर नीज यानी कि उसके जो घुटने हैं उससे भी नीचे उसके बाल हैं, उतने लंबे उसके बाल हैं। एंड इट मेड इटसेल्फ इनटू अ ड्रेस, मतलब इतने लंबे हैं और इतने घने हैं दैट इटसेल्फ इट कैन मेक, मतलब उसका खुद का एक ड्रेस वो बना सकती है, इतने वो लंबे और घने उसके बाल हैं। ओके, देन शी पुट हर हेड, यानी कि उसने जल्दी जल्दी अपने बाल समेट लिए। एंड शी स्टॉप्ड फॉर अ मोमेंट, वो 1 मिनट के लिए रुकी। एंड शी स्टार्ट क्राइंग, ठीक है, while a tear rolled down her, a tear or two rolled down her face, ठीक है, she started crying again. Why she started crying again? यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया? Now do one thing. Next class ये स्टोरी पूरी पढ़ के आना, ठीक है, एटलीस्ट जो पेज 2 पेज 3 पेज, page number 3 and 4 पढ़ के आना, so that you can answer this question why Della was crying even after she got an idea for Jim's gift. अगर उसके पास आइडिया आ गया, this is what biggest tension, उसके पास ये सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस का क्वेश्चन यही था कि वो कैसे गिफ्ट दे क्रिसमस के लिए। अब जब उसको गिफ्ट का आइडिया मिल गया, that is why her face was eyes were shining but her face was dull and she was crying again. तो इसका आंसर आपको आगे मिल जाएगा। अंडरस्टूड? तो पढ़ के आना, ठीक है। आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट ब्रीफली बिकॉज अगर मैं रीड कर करके पढ़ाऊंगी वन बाय वन लाइन वो टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा। दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन एंड अगेन, प्लीज रीड इट केयरफुली, ठीक है। जो नहीं समझ में आ रहा है या जो वर्ड मीनिंग में दिक्कत आ रही है वो आप लिख के रखो, क्लास में पूछ लो। खुद से मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो ये पोएट्री नहीं है। दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू, राइट डाउन एनालिसिस एंड यू कैन जस्ट आस्क द क्वेश्चन। दीस आर स्टोरीज, यू हैव टू रीड इट योरसेल्फ, ठीक है। अपना खुद का भी ओपिनियन बनाना सीखो। Okay, that's all for today. And next class, I expect you all to get some answer why she's crying.